Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your PS4 gaming history and trophies. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Privacy Settings. You may need to enter your account password to continue here. In Privacy Settings, select Gaming, and then select Gaming History. Change the option called Who Can See Your Games and Trophies to No One, and then click Confirm. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.